Some tests are
And some
larger.
tests are larger.
And back of.
Good, so I got a tet and a tet, but now that one tet is large, so by itself, some tet and some tet, it may be two, it may be one, right? But if one's larger than the other, then it has to be two, and it's also
And back of each
Back of
so I
other.
need another tet, and it's gotta be,
Larger.
what size do you want?
Medium.
Medium or large, we don't know yet, so keep in mind the possibilities, and it's,
Move it
Back
one
up.
row
which
back.
one's in back?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter, which one's in
Move the
back?
large one
Oh.
back.
The large one is the
Large
one,
one.
right?
Oh.
So we don't know where in back, let's move it there, let's say, right? We can rearrange it later. Okay, 3.
A cube and a cube is in front of a cube.
Okay, so what are the names of the cubes?
Cube C and
So
cube
C
D.
is a cube and
So cube
And
C is
it's-
in front of cube D,
cube C is in front of D, so where do you want D?
behind the
Somewhere, we
medium
don't
tet.
know, right?
Okay.
Okay. And then now force is?
Name one of your earlier blocks.
Right, that's not what I'm looking at.
Cube C,
Yeah, what does it say? What is
if,
this?
if cube
C is a
C is a
cube.
cube,
Is it
then
cube?
A is a tet.
No.
Is C a cube?
Yes.
Then A is a tet, so you have to name one of your objects here, which do you want?
The small one.
Name the small one.
Sure, we don't
a
know,
tet,
let's
yeah.
try that out. Okay, 5,
Cube and
Cube D and cube E are not
And-
larger than each other.
so I already have cube D, right? What do I need?
E, cube E.
And it's
It's large, it's not.
not larger,
Has to be
so do I
smaller.
need a separate cube? Yes, who says yes? Who says no? Who says maybe? Okay, no one takes the
You
separate.
can
Okay,
name
good.
C E.
There you go.
And
Not
make
C,
D
not
bigger.
C, but
D.
D, E. If I
D.
name D and E the same, is D a cube and E a cube? And is it not larger than itself?
Yes.
Yes, so that works, you don't need a separate one. So there you go. 6 now.
Some cubes.
Some cube is,
Are not equal to D and not equal to E.
some blah is blah, so some cube is different from D and,
Different
They're
from.
different E.
so do I have a cube that's different from D and E?
Yes.
Oh.
Different from D and E.
Yes.
Yes, see right there, right? Good. Okay, 7.
Some tet is between,
Reposition this
A
to
tet.
make it true without new blocks.
Forget looking at the red.
A cube.
Ignore the red for the
some
moment.
tet.
Some tet is between,
The
Some-
cube.
so there's C and D, right?
C and
So I
D.
need a,
Cube C and cube D.
okay, so which one do you want?
With the tet,
Which tab?
the one A.
You want A there?
Yeah.
What's the restriction on A?
Oh.
It has to be in front.
In front of that, right? So if I
Yeah.
put it there, is that okay?
Yeah.
So is there some tet between C and D?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Okay, now take a look. What does 8 say?
Something.
There's something and something.
Between. A is
A
between
is
them.
between
With something
those two
and
somethings and
It's
Is
larger
larger
is
than-
larger than one of those somethings and?
Smaller.
Smaller than.
So if A is between two somethings and it's larger than one and smaller than the other, what size does A have to be?
Medium.
Medium, that means what size does this have to be?
Large.
Why? Because what did this say? This had to be?
Larger than. the
Larger,
other.
there you go. That's why I said you exercise your brain. When we first did this a long time ago, you guys couldn't keep this in mind. You guys, I can see it. You guys don't realize it. The more you do larging, it actually implicitly exercises your mind. You don't realize it. This is an experience everyone goes through. After you get through the semester, you look back and you recognize things that you didn't realize before. You're a little bit smarter. Your brain's working a little bit better. You don't even realize it. It's insensible cultivation developed over time. It's like a tiny
Insensible
little muscle and
cultivation.
it builds up little by little. And then all of a sudden you're like, I got a little muscle there.
Insensible.
Yeah, so we're not done yet. Because why? One has to be
Larger.
and
Smaller.
so it's larger than that one, right? But because it says A is between these two objects, it's larger than one of those objects and smaller than the other one. So the
So
two
we
things
have
it's
to make
between.
C a medium.
C, okay, sure. No, A is medium, so it's larger than that, or larger than that. Let's make this one. This one has to be large. I have to
Yeah.
move it off and make it large. Because all you need is, the restriction is, again, A is between those two things. A is smaller than one and larger than the other. All right, let's move on. 9.
How come it won't
Almost
let
there,
me-
folks.
Some things are a cube and it's not equal.
Okay.
C and D are not equal.
Good, good. So something's a cube, and
And-
it's either,
Medium or small,
no, it's either
not equal to.
Not
Different
C,
from?
oh,
No.
Different from each other?
yeah, C and D
C
are
and-
not,
different, not just from each other, different from
C and D.
C and D. So take a look. Is there a cube that's different from C and D?
Yes.
Different from C and D?
no,
No. Or there's a cube that's
alright,
Large.
large. Is there a cube that's large?
yes.
So you're good. Don't have to worry about 9. 10's the one. Here we go.
Ooh,
Some of the cubes, some of the dodecs, and some of the other dodecs are between larger and left of some things.
Right. Can you give that to me in English? It's like a paragraph, a logic paragraph. Make it into a sentence. So there's a cube.
Some cubes,
There's a
some
dodec. There's a
dodec,
dodec.
some dodec.
What does the Y refer to?
Are between.
The dodec. So the dodec is
Dodec.
between
a
the cube and the
another dodec,
and the X refers to the.
the
The
cube,
cube is larger than the, and it's also
left
left
of
of the dodec. So what do I first need? How many? 2 dodecs.
Oh, sorry.
And it's also got to be. So the dodec is between. So there's
the
the.
cube and the dodec,
So if I do it there, is there a dodec between a cube and a dodec?
yes,
But then one has to be.
One has to be larger
Larger.
than
Is
the
the
other.
cube larger than the
and the
dodec?
dodec,
Do I got it? Is the cube larger than the dodec?
no,
No. So what
Make
other
the
change
dodec
could I
C
make?
medium,
I could change it, but then that'll screw up something else.
Oh,
Make the
yeah.
dodec medium.
No, it's the X is the cube has to be larger than the dodec.
oh,
Then can you move it by the D
There
and
you
E?
go. Move it back.
Move
So let me
what back?
rearrange this. Move these 2 back. Now take a look. Is there a cube and a dodec in the dodec?
Yes.
Yes. And is the dodec, right there, Y, between the cube and the dodec? The cube and the dodec.
yes,
Yeah.
And is the cube, X, larger than the dodec?
Yes.
That. And is it left of the dodec?
Yes.
yes,
Yes, does that work?
should work,
So let's try it out. Survey says, you got 1 through 10 true with 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your pictures carefully. You want platter view? Is that platter view good? Everyone happy?
Ooh, fancy.
Let's see. Last week was a sort of rest week. Now we start to climb up the hill. Your final bit of exercise for logic. The last topic of the course, everyone finds nice. It's a little bit of a reprieve. We good? Any other pictures? Okay, here's